Hi YouTube team. I am Rani Lacasa. I am the owner of Rani Lacasa Official. The link below. I received a suspended notice for my monetized channel February 17, and I didn't notice it first because I was so busy with my work, and last night I checked it, and that's why I'm worried about it. And I hope this video will consider this for my appeal to YPP. And I'm worried about that because I work so hard for the channel, and I want to show you how I made my channel, how I edit my videos, how it works for me, and it has a dollars on it also. That's why I want to appeal to get back my channel and be on the road again, upload videos and task and make my channel happy again. Okay, here is my video for editing. This is my chair where I edited my videos, and this is my personal computer, but I did not use that because I used my cell phone for my editing videos and thumbnails, as well as I will show you this now. This is my Android phone, Redmi 90. This is where I edit my videos. I will show you. This is I use my tools, my apps, Filmora Go, where I edit my videos. Here I will use that videos here. That's all, and okay, that's it. So every time I edit is to play this. Yes. Stop. I will splice. Then play. I will stop and splice. Okay, that is my how I edit my videos. And now I will go to the how I edit my thumbnail. Okay, this is my application for thumbnail, PicsArt. Okay, I use this and I will look for just like that. Okay, I will edit that with text, how to, yeah, that's it. Okay, check, that's it. Or I will make some styles and happy. Okay, that's how I edit my thumbnail. Okay, my video is a mixed content. It's for housing, for daily life, for tutorials, and for some comedy. And I want to appeal this to your team that I hope and hoping to your kind consideration that you will give me back my monetized channel and my ads to my channel. Please consider my appeal to you, YouTube team and YP program. God bless you all. Thank you.